Welcome back. You're watching us here on Power Breakfast. It's all about the impact of the tariff barrage of reciprocal tariffs announced by Donald Trump overnight. Has that had a bearing on the commodities? Oh, yes, it has. There's been a fair amount of risk off and also flight to safety. Manisha Gupta joins in with all the updates from the commodity space overnight. Manisha.
Thank you so much for that, Mangalam Vali. Yes, there has been a huge impact, especially for the gold prices, which in any case had been hitting record highs. And overnight, as this statement was coming in, not too many markets were open, but we did see gold react to this in the international space. And $3,167 an ounce is what we've seen into gold prices as all-time highs. If you look at the gold futures, well, we've surpassed 3,200 therein. So very, very strong gains coming in here. The markets are more concerned about, of course, tariffs on India, but also tariffs on China, which have jumped up to or ballooned up to 34 and 54% now if you put the total in. And that has impacted the metal space very strongly. COMEX copper has seen a decline of 4%. We're trading at a 3-week lows onto this one. The global aluminum prices have seen a 2% decline. That one is trading at a 10-week lows right now. And that pretty much has been the case across metals. Most of these metals down the overnight markets. Also has seen a bit of a decline come in has been the crude oil prices. It fell 1% yesterday. It is down 3% right now on concerns of weak energy demand. While, of course, the list of goods not subject to reciprocal tariffs has been a bit of a support because you have steel, aluminum, copper, and bullion. Bullion means gold and silver. So clearly, gold and silver are exempted from these tariffs. And then any import of oil, gas, refined product has been exempted into U.S. But the rest of the world will see demand concerns coming in, and that's exactly what the commodities are reacting to.
Take that point entirely, Manisha. The commodities reacting to that. We are seeing some bit of a relief in gold and silver, perhaps some flight to safety as well, but a decline in Brent and some subdued performance of the dollar index overnight as well. Before